Alright, good morning guys. Jack Kellog here, just waking up around 7 a.m. Gonna go through my daily routine with you guys and kind of show you how an 8-figure day trader gets ready to trade stocks and make money. First things first, I put on my robe because it's winter here in New Hampshire and we actually have quite a bit of snow on the ground that just came down a couple days ago. Here we are. We got a little bit of snow coming down, quite chilly out. I'd be lying if I said the first thing I didn't do is check the quotes. Every morning, fire up my computer here and Alienware. Here's my trading setup. Absolutely love my keyboard with the gold keys. And this mouse pad I've actually had for 5 years. It has a bunch of coffee stains, beer stains, everything all over it. And this is the rest of my office here. That's my spare setup. And my bedroom's literally right down the hall there. All right, guys, one other thing that I really like to do is I go into my phone here and I want to see how much sleep I got. So I got about 6 hours and 47 minutes of sleep, with about 1/4 of the time being REM sleep and 1/4 of the time being deep sleep. So it was a rather good night of sleeping. I like to get in between 7 and 8 hours ideally, and nothing more than 8 or I'll feel too tired, or nothing more than 5 or I will feel also too tired. So as I come and check the quotes here on my computer, one other thing that I like to do is review some of my trades and also reviewing all the data here. I can make any adjustments that are needed for the next trading day. One thing that I like to do is take vitamin C every single day. It is wintertime and you're more prone to getting sick. So I take about 1,000 milligrams of vitamin C every morning, or if I forget, just throughout the day. So I fire up my scanner and I always sort by number of trades. And here I am actually just reviewing potential areas of support and resistance and kind of making my watch list to prepare for the morning ahead. All right, guys, this is my coffee of choice, Life Boost. I love this right here, Optimist, and that's what I am every day. I'm an optimist, and whatever the market's gonna offer me, I think, okay, let me take advantage of it and try my best to take what the market is going to offer. So I go with the light roast. I actually found out not too recently that light roast has more caffeine than dark roasts. Fire up the old coffee maker here. Oh, it's so perfect. Here is my coffee mug as well. So this coffee mug is from Ember. Actually keeps your coffee hot, because one of my pet peeves is when you're drinking coffee and it becomes cold. Who likes that? Nobody likes that. So this one actually will keep the coffee at 135 degrees. So it's always an optimal coffee drinking temperature. All right, guys, as I let the coffee get to an optimal temperature, I'm actually going to do my chore of the morning. So this is something that I also believe in, is doing one chore per day in the morning. So for me today, it is laundry actually. Other times it's going to the grocery store. Other times it's sending emails. Other times it really could be whatever. Here's my chore of the morning. My coffee is all done. One thing that I like to do is just come outside for a quick moment, have a couple first sips of coffee, and kind of just set my intentions for the day and what I want to achieve, what type of trader I want to be, etc. All right, guys, next is my most important part of my morning routine. I think this is the most key aspect that any trader can do before the trading day. This gets your brain firing at such a higher rate. Without this, I find I make way more mistakes than if I just got outside and got 1 mile walking, right? It only takes 20 minutes, 15 minutes, depending on how fast you walk. Anyone asks, I tell them you have to go for a walk in the morning. You have to do some type of exercise. You can also go to the gym or do whatever you want, but I find that walking is the best, because it's not going to burn you out too much, and it's also just going to get your brain firing just where you want it. Speak a little bit more. Another thing that I kind of wanted to come on here and say is on Clover trading, check out this hat, by the way, it's sweet. I do a watch list at roughly 8:50, 9:15 a.m. every morning and go over with the private 3 and 4 leaf clovers, my levels that I'm watching, and kind of the plan for the stock on the day. That's the last thing I'm going to do after this short walk, and it's been very beneficial. We called out a couple plays in the room yesterday and they actually turned out to be exactly as we called it. So sometimes that happens and it's really cool, and it's all about the preparation and the mental work you put on before the market opens. Hope you guys have a good day.